Hey everyone, welcome to the shop. It's been a long time since we've done a 2-minute tool review, but had occasion to use something new and wanted to talk about it. So I bought this Rhino Strong airlift tool, these little airbags, a while ago. Amazon had them on sale, and they seemed like they'd be super useful. So uh, picked up the set, and then I think I more or less forgot that I had it, and so I haven't used it until this past weekend. Okay, so I poured a new concrete slab under my AC unit and it slopes away from the house, so I had to level out the AC unit, for its permanent placement. And so these things worked really well to apply pressure, get it lifted to the correct height on each corner, and then gently let it back down again. This was much easier than my original thought, which was going to be putting 2x4s and shims under it as I did this. So airbags made it go much quicker. Yeah, so definitely helped me out on that project. They seem very tough. Can you lift a Jeep with them? No, clearly not. But something like that AC unit, just leveling that out while I and holding it while I got everything else positioned, that was perfect. So two complaints about these. The first is that this hose is a bit short. So, when you're working under something, this can kind of get drug under it as well. So, like an extra 6 inches of length on this uh, hose would be nice. But the bigger complaint is actually the size of this bulb that you have to squeeze to inflate it. It's a bit small. So, not only do you have to pump this quite a few times to do something here, it just, once you get this to a point where it's got some pressure built up in it, like this does just, it starts to feel kind of inefficient, like you're not really doing much. So if this were a little larger, I think that would improve the tool, but it's still perfectly usable as is. Anyway, these were very helpful in my recent project, and I think well worth the money. Recommended. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, farewell.